Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is gonna be a lip dupe that I found in my collection. So I'm super hyped up about this because I love to find some good dupe for you. So yeah, and these are not always like a cheaper dupe, but it's always good to know that some makeup are the same even if it's a same cost, so you don't need to buy both of these. So yeah, just before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, to put the thumbs up to the video if you like this type of video, and also to follow me on my social media. They are all linked down below. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. My first dupe are spot on the same lipstick, the LA Splash one in the shade Goulish and the NYX Lingerie in the shade Embellisment. And these are the same thing. I'm gonna swatch it for you. So the LA Splash one are more liquidy, they are more drying on the lips. They scent bad. They scent like old makeup, even if it's brand new. But the shade of this are not a typical nude that we see always like I have right now on my lips. But yeah, I love this shade, but like I said, they smell so freaking bad. The NYX Lingerie are more like a moussey texture. You're gonna need like 2 coats of this one. They are not as drying than the LA Splash one. They are comfortable on the lip for real, and the shade are spot on the same for real. The second dupe I'm gonna show you, it's not a cheaper version. So my dupe is a holy grail on YouTube since the beginning, and it's the ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. I love this shade so much, and I love the formula of these one. So they are a little bit liquidy, but not too drying on the lips. So this. And the dupe that I found, it's a Tarteist lip paint from Tarte, like I said. And it's in the shade Birthday Suits. And this formula is so different than the ABH one. They are super moussey. They are a little bit difficult to apply because they are super moussey, so it can be a little bit more patchy. But if you have like 2 light coats, you're gonna have a good application. And these are the dupe. After that, the dupe that I'm gonna show you, again, it's not a cheaper version of it, but if you have one, you don't need the other one. So my dupe, it's the Makeup Forever liquid lips in the shade 101, and these are one of my favorite formula of liquid lipstick. They are a little bit like the ABH one. They are liquidy but not too drying on the lips, but it's a liquid lip, so it's not super comfortable on the lips, like it's not super hydrating on the lips. But this is the shade. And the dupe that I found, it's from Ofra, and it's in the shade Paulo. So these, like the Tarteist one, they are more on the moussey side. So this is Paulo from Ofra. So these liquid lipstick are super comfortable on the lips. They are not super transfer proof, but they are very comfortable and they apply evenly. They are so beautiful on the lips. And yeah, these are the 2 that I found to dupe. So the next dupe that I'm gonna show you, it's a dupe that everybody knows. So if you don't know these dupes, like you live under the rock, seriously. And these are my favorite formula of all time, and it's the Sephora cream lip stain in the shade Marvelous Mauve. And like everybody knows, the dupe that I found, it's the Stila Patina. So these are simply the same thing. I'm gonna show you on my arms. So the Stila one are very liquidy, and the Sephora one, they are more like a cream, like the name said. It's not that moussey like the Tarte one, but it's so comfortable on the lips. Seriously, it's the most comfortable liquid lipstick that I put on my lips. That it's not transfer proof at all. No, that is transfer proof. So yeah, these stay on your lips all day long. If you eat, if you drink, if you kiss, if you, I don't know what else to do with your mouth, but everything's gonna stay put on your lips, and you're not gonna have like the rim right here when you have a bold lips, and they have so many shade in this range. So if you don't find any like shade that you want and that you love, you're difficult, seriously. So these are my dupe, and look at that. Same freaking thing. For next, my dupe are the same company. So this is so like weird that it's the same company, but they are looking like exactly the same. And these are from NYX, but they are in a different formula. The first one, it's the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Tea and Cookie. So these packaging. And the other one, it's the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Istanbul. So I'm gonna swatch the Soft Matte Lip Cream. So these are spot on the same freaking thing. So check this out. And I love both of these formula. For my three next liquid lips that I'm gonna show you, it's the different formula, but they are the same shade. So the liquid lips that I found to dupe, it's a Sephora one, and it's in the shade 14. So this is the shade 14 from Sephora. The first one, it's from Maybelline, and it's in the shade, I don't know how, but I always, when I see this shade, I always thought it's Beliver from Justin Bieber, but it's Beliver. Yeah. So these are super long lasting, but the finish of it, it's a little bit more glossy, and I don't understand how they can be glossy but transfer proof. So obviously the Sephora one dry matte, but the Maybelline one dries glossy, but they are transfer proof. It's magic in a bottle. So this is the Maybelline one, and you can see that it's super glossy. And the third one, it's from ColourPop, and the formula of it, it's in the Ultra Satin Lip. And I love this formula so much. They are super comfortable on the lips, but they are not as transfer proof than the Sephora one. The applicator of it, it's so strange because it's like a doe-foot applicator, but with a bad hair day. So this is the ColourPop one, and these looks exactly the same. So the next lip dupe that I'm show you, it's 2 liquid lipstick and 1 bullet lipstick. So if you prefer bullet lipstick, I'm gonna show you one option, and it's the shade Candy Yum Yum from MAC. Do you know this shade? I'm gonna show you. And it's this bright super pink shade. This is a blue tone pink. This is like a pink right to your face. It's bam. I'm gonna show you. Bam. This is in the matte formula from MAC. The first one I'm gonna show you, it's a high-end one in the liquid lipstick form, and it's Rio from ABH. So it's a little bit more dark than the Candy Yum Yum one, but it's in the same shade range. And the other one that I'm gonna show you, it's a cheaper version, and it's in the shade Pink Lust from NYX. This is exactly the same freaking thing. I'm gonna stain my hair again and again. So my next two are Sheen lipstick. One is in the bullet form and the other one is in the pencil form, and these are news. So the first one, it's a NARS pencil in the shade Rikugien. It's gonna be there because I don't know how to say this. So these are super comfortable on the lips. They are very easy to apply because they are in the pencil form. It's in the Sheen formula, so you don't need to have the NARS one because that's expensive, girl. It's freaking expensive, and it's like a nude sheen. And this is a NYX Butter lipstick in the shade Pop Explosif. I love to put this on my lips when I have like no makeup on or super minimal makeup on, or when I want to put something on my lips but I'm on the go, because you can't do a mess with these two because they are sheen and they are nude. So the other dupe that I'm gonna show you, it's a liquid lips, and two, it's bullet lipstick. So the liquid lipstick I'm gonna show you, it's Stila Bacca. And this one, it's a little bit more patchy than Patina, but the color, it's so beautiful that I work with it, but it's need two light layer on my lips. So this is the shade. It's a little bit like a red mauvey berry tone. The first thing I'm gonna show you, it's a bullet lipstick, and I have in a mini form, and it's from Bite Beauty in the shade Raddish. So this is the shade. They are spot on the same, just one is in the bullet form and the other one is in the liquid lipstick form, so it's what you prefer. And my other dupe, it's super duper cheap dupe, so yay for me. And it's from Wet n Wild, and this one is in the shade Cherry Picking. The only downside about these lipstick is the packaging and the way that they put the lipstick on. I don't know how to say this. They don't have a pointy side, so when you put this on your lips, you need to put pencil before with a shade like this, because you're gonna have lipstick everywhere and it's gonna be a real mess. But it's $2, so I can live with that. And look at that. The Bite one, it's a little bit more on the creamy side, and the Wet n Wild one, it's a little bit more matte, so yeah, it's what you prefer. And this one, it's $2, and these are like $20, so keep that in mind. So now I'm on my favorite color for lips, and it's red. So I'm gonna show you a lot of dupe because I have a lot of red. So the first I'm gonna show you, it's one is in the bullet form and the other two are in the liquid lipstick form. So the one in the bullet form is from MAC, and it's in the shade Ruby Roo, and it's a retro matte, so these are super drying for the lips. They are tugging when you put this on your lips, but they stay there like all day. They are a little bit like liquid lipstick, but in the bullet form. So this is a fiery red. My first dupe, it's from my favorite formula of all time, and it's from Sephora. Is in the shade Always Red, and these, like I said, these are so good. So this is the red. Like liquid lipstick look a little bit more pigmented on my end, and my other dupe, it's a cheaper dupe, so yay for me again. And it's a Wet n Wild one in the shade Missy and Fierce. I know that I talk about these liquid lips on my face makeup that I don't love, but it's just this shade that I don't love that I present you in this video. These ones are so good. They are pigmented, they are not patchy like the pink one, they are the perfect formula. I don't know why the pink one is so bad. It's freaking bad, and this one is freaking good. So I don't know like who approved the pink one, because it needs to be fired. So it's a little bit more on the moussey side, but these one dry super matte. They are transfer proof, and these last all day on your lips. And look at that, they are the same freaking thing. I have this one from Ciaté too. This is in the liquid velvet. I don't know if I love red and if I need a new red. I don't know, because they are all the same. It's so funny and it's sad too. Gosh, but yeah, these one, they are not as long lasting than the other two liquid lips because they are a velvet texture. But if you are not liking the super matte drying thing on your lips, just pick these. They are good. This shade is good because I didn't try another shade from this range, but this one I love. After that, my next red and my last dupe, It's a red that it's more like a pinky red and perfect for the summer, and it's in the Sephora range, and it's in the shade Strawberry Kiss. If you want to see that on my lips, I put this shade on my lips in my Kylie Jenner look, and look at that. And what I'm gonna show you for a dupe, it's in the bullet form, so if you prefer one of the other, and it's in the shade Wonderland from Urban Decay. Right now I have the Gwen Stefani packaging, but Urban Decay sell this shade again, but not with this packaging. So these are the same freaking thing. So the first one, it's the Sephora one, and the other one, it's Wonderland from Urban Decay. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my dupe. So if you found any dupe on your own, just put this down below, because I love to know the dupe, because I don't want to buy like many shade that looks the same. So yeah, so I hope you like this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.